Hello, good morning, guys. How are you? I hope you all are doing well and best, guys. Guys, let's I today I want to show you and discuss about engine parts. Look, ऐसा सीरियल नंबर से निकालिए, इसको निकाल के बैठाइए एक को दिखाइए, ऑडियंस को दिखाओ कैसे लगाना है. Looks, guys, this seal already changed. This seal is a new one, new seal replaced. Look, old one remove out and a new one replaced. And look, this is a small spring and big one. Or a put the cap and cutter valve. Cutter valve, where is cutter valve? Cutter valve inside. Cutter valve also is here. Look. This is a cutter valve. Put it like this. Not opposite side. Not rear. Opposite side. This is like this position. And cutter valve put this position. Let's go. He is a mechanic, engine specialist, and another mechanic champion is here. Both are very busy now, and one person assembling head, and another person wearing ring fixing on piston, replacing new ring. पहले इधर लीजिए ना. हाँ, this is a scraper ring. This is a scraper ring, oil ring, and this is a T-top. This is a compressor ring, also intermediate ring, and this is a top ring. 3 ring is here. And also we had cleaned this wall, grinding already. This is a proper grinding inside, and after that this is installed. This valve. This is a intake valve, and this is a exhaust valve. Another one. Also, this is a check. How to check water? Look, water inside. After this is a fixing, and you put inside fill water, pouring water inside. Water. Look, this is water pouring, and after that you can check this is leaking or not leaking. Leaking. Maybe this is leaking, that you have to again grinding, dismantle wall and again grinding. And this is not leaking, so no problem. That is a proper and proper. Look, this is a proper, not leaking. Look, but here is water. Look, not leaking. Maybe this is a wall leaking. This is when you engine fixing, and after that black smoking, white smoking is coming, because this is a not locking wall, and this is a not burning fuel, proper not burning, and white smoking is coming from cylinder. Guys, this is a proper engine work, need to always proper everything. Inspection is proper inspection. This is also push injector line guide. This is seat inside. This is a proper sitting has. This is a scoring mark. Maybe this is a oval. This is a worn out, or this is a proper have. Maybe this is a oval inside. Maybe this is a problem worn out. So this need to remove out and replace new one. And guys, you do you have any questions and discuss? Drop message in the comment box, and I will definitely help you guys. Look, this is a bearing. This is a bearing, white metal bearing. This is a white metal bearing. This is Russian calling. This is a Kladis. Russian calling. This is a Kladis, and English name. This is a white metal bearing, connecting rod bearing. This is a upper bearing, and this is a upper bearing. and black one, white one upper bearing, a black one. Black one is a black. Black is a connecting cap bearing. Look, connecting cap bearing. This the piston, and this is a connecting rod, not need to jam. This is a free fall. Look, this need to free fall. After maybe this is a jam, connecting rod and pin jam. After that moving here, this will be damaged. This is a connecting rod pin size here will be damaged because this need to free. Look how it is moving. Maybe sometime when you fix, maybe this is a boost damaging, maybe boost damage. After that you can a small grinding inside and look a free fall, not jam. Maybe jam, so maybe it will be hair problem. This is a base will be worn out. Also piston, this is assemble. This is a proper check and inspection. This is a piston cooling line. Piston cooling line. Not fix a piston opposite side. When you fix opposite side, this is a brake. Brake immediately piston cooling nozzle. Immediately brake, guys. Because this line is piston cooling nozzle and this position is cut here. Look, bearing cut, connecting rod lock, bearing lock side, and this is a proper position. And also the guys, this is a rod. This rod got damaged. This rod got damaged, and we have make this. This is a new one. Look, this is a new one, new making. This is a new making, and now we are going to assemble this rod, this arm cylinder assembly. We will be assembling this ram cylinder, and this is a reject. But this is a reject, but we are not going to throw out. This one we are going to use pin for pin. This is for 90 mm. This size is 90 mm, and which size we are required pin. This is a cutting machining by machine, lathe machine by there is machine. I have cutting chrome plated rod cutting machine. We have this is a cutting size by which type of length, pin length, how much, and this is cutting and using. We will be using for pin, not this is throw out. Also this eye after use another rod we are repair, make a new rod, and after that this eye also use. Look here, this eye also use. And here building, centering, here center inside, and this is tight, make a thread tightening, and after that building and machining. Look, guys, if you like my video, guys, like and subscribe, guys, and thanks for watching. Thanks for million to watching my video, guys, and be happy. And I need to support you guys. We need to your support, guys. We need to support your guys. And do you have any question related mechanical and heavy machinery and automobiles? Automobile, heavy machinery and mechanical. We have both knowledge, mechanical also and automobiles also, heavy machinery. If you have any questions, guys, please discuss, and definitely I will help you guys, and we will learn together, guys. This is a truck is heater radiator, cabin heater radiator for truck. This is a truck heater radiator for truck. This is a cabin heater radiator for truck, for heavy truck, Chinese truck, cabin heater radiator. Okay, guys, be positive, be humble, guys, and help always each other, and we learn together. Thanks for million, guys, and be happy forever. God bless you, guys. God bless you.
मोटर बंद कर देगा।